Bienvenue à Berne. Aujourd'hui, on se trouve avec Domenico au bar Matte Brennerei et on accueille 10 barmen suisses-allemands pour un workshop durant lequel ces barmen vont créer des recettes avec les produits Morand. À la fin de l'après-midi, un jury se réunira pour tester toute cette recette de cocktail et déterminer l'équipe vainqueur.
We had some introduction to the products we can use, to the new products they put on the market, and we had to make 2 cocktails, one with Abricotine and one with Williamine.
The judges looking for the optic of the drinks, the garnish, the taste in the nose and the taste in the mouth. We need creative names for our drinks, point that give points.
Yes.
That's right. It's on smash. Well, it was a great feeling here. There was a lot of bartenders, very professional, and it's all time good to work with other pros.
So, jetzt